What's up guys, it's me, Ricky Manning, and I'm here at Clovis West, and today I'm going to do a tutorial on how to ride a skateboard. The first step on learning how to ride a skateboard is learning how to maintain balance. So the first step to maintain balance is the first step on your skateboard. And when you step on your skateboard, you want to make sure all your weight is in the middle of the skateboard so you won't fall out or in. If you lean too far back, you're going to slip out, and if you lean too far forward, you'll slip out the other way. So you want to put your feet on the 4 bolts, and then you want to even out your weight into the middle. That's the most important part of riding a skateboard, evening out your weight, or else you're going to slip out and fall on your back. So the second part is you want to learn how to push on the skateboard. So when you push, there are 2 ways you can push. You can put your left foot forward, which is called a regular rider, or you can put your right foot forward, which is called a goofy rider. I'm a regular rider, but it doesn't really matter. So you're gonna want all your weight on your front foot. If you have most of your weight on your back foot, you won't be able to get on the board and actually ride your skateboard. Now let's get into actually how to push the skateboard. So what you want to do is with your back foot, make a little scooping motion and scoop the ground so you can get that momentum to go forward. Once you start moving, you either have the option to keep going by scooping more, or get on the back of your board and just cruise. I'm going to show you an example on how to ride a skateboard. So I push off my back foot and ride. And I step off with my back foot quickly so I don't fall backwards. I put all my weight on my front foot while I step off. When I move, I go slow because it helps me maintain balance unless when I'm doing like a trick or something. And when you're beginning, you should also go slow. So the third and final step to riding a skateboard is the foot placement. So I place my feet when I'm cruising on the bolts right here and right here. But when I'm setting up for a trick, I put my front foot just behind the bolts, my back foot on the tail. The tail is the back of the board, and this right here is called the nose. The reason I do these foot placements is because it helps me do the trick, or it helps me cruise easier. So I'll show you an example right now. So this is me cruising. My feet are right where they're supposed to be. It helps me turn better while I'm cruising. And it gives me better balance too. So now I'm going to show you the foot placement when I jump on a stair. My foot placement was just like I explained over there. I put my back foot on the tail and I popped up and jumped and I landed the trick. So another important tip is when you're riding, you make sure to look forward, because if you go over a rock, you're screwed. You're gonna fall forward because the rock is gonna stop the wheel and you're gonna fall forward and hurt yourself. So I recommend looking on the floor, knowing where you're going so you don't trip on anything. I think that's about it guys, and that's gonna wrap up my video today. If you like the video, leave a like and subscribe and turn on post notification if you wanna get notified every time I post a new video. I'll see you guys in the next one.